Good morning. It's March the 21st, 2018. Time to kick off another trading day. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that the account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to shown. Okay, the bias for treasuries is down. The market, 3 interest rate increases. $20 million per month of the taper. With the usual, they'll have a dot plot. They'll have the forward guidance. We get the full Monty today. And people will be looking to see if there's going to be 3 or 4 in 2018. Forward guidance by the Fed, and 2 or 3 in 2019. So, right now the Fed's told us 3 interest rate increases, 20 million in taper per month. That's been the forward guidance. We'll see see if we get it. Today's news: existing home sales 5.42. Crude oil plus 2.6. The APIs drew 2.7. That was a surprise. APIs drew gasoline minus 1.1 million barrels. Distillates built 1.6. They expect the U.S. production will be up in these numbers. So I think we just got a trading range with a down bias. We'll sell 1s to 5s, 7 to 11. On the buy side, 25s to 29s buy 1, and 17 to 21 buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, $20 to 24 is number 1. 27.31 sell 1. 3 to 7 sell 2. Not going to have much action today in treasuries. The bias is to the low side. They are going to raise interest rates. That's not good news. 12 to 16 is number 1. 5 to 9 buy 1. 29 to 1 buy 2. I almost never get sick, and my wife's had a horrendous cough, and I now have it. Feel like my ribs are broken. Coughed so much last night. Unfortunately, I've been there before. Only hurts when you breathe. Okay, gold. Make it 17 to 20. Sell 1. 23.25. Sell 2. On the buy side, 10 to 12. Look for a $3 to $5 range today. Buy 1. And then 5 to 7 for buy 2. Euro was up, I believe, if memory serves me correctly, overnight. So we had a buyer at 23.25. We've got a seller at 23.75, so we'll just play for that. So 70 to 80, sell 1. 124 even, sell 2. That might be the range that we're looking at right now until the Fed speaks. 23.25, buy 1. The buck, buy 2. Fed raising the interest rates is not a good thing for the euro, but it hadn't really been playing all that much. Kind of a head scratcher. Okay, today inventory, 10:30 Eastern, looking for a build of 2.6 million barrels. The APIs showed a draw, let's see, of 2.7. So plus 2.6. Looks like the market's playing for less than plus 2.6. Not a very big number in gasoline, minus 1.1, and plus 1.6 in distillates. Okay, the numbers have just changed all over for crude oil. The spreads don't work anywhere like they historically have. No, I don't have any fever. Just a cough that has me raw from the belly button to the back of my throat. So right now the market is playing for higher, so risk resistance is 25 to 50, maybe a 30-40 tick range. Sometimes we've been getting a 70 tick range. I don't think I have any codeine. And then on the buy side, we'll make it 63.75, 64, buy 1, pretty aggressive. 63.50, 63.25, buy 2. Yeah, I don't think I have the. I ache all over, but I don't have any fever to speak of. Okay, a lot of bad press on the FANGs. Amazon, a lot of the talk is they need to be gone after on an antitrust basis. They're getting too big, too powerful. Zuckerberg's Facebook puffing the revenue figures. selling data on anybody and everybody. Google selling data to everybody and anybody and really getting in there. Also politically, some girl was dumb enough from Google, I think it was Google, to talk about how, maybe she was from Facebook, under the I think it was a 2012 election, where she talked about they did stuff for the Obama campaign that they would never do for the Republicans. And so we have this cabal out there that it's trying to maintain the status quo as best they can. And back in the old days, there would be antitrust legislation coming up now. Don't know if they'll get it, though. But anyway, the FANGs are under pressure, the NASDAQ is under pressure, and that's spilling into the Dow and the S&P 500. An interest rate increase today is not good, but it's there, and the market knows it. So they're looking for 25 basis points. Okay, 27s to 32, sell 1. And we've got that 44 up there. Let's make it 39.44, sell 2. I'm probably a 10-point range until the Fed speaks. 11 to 16 by 1. Then 1 to 6 by 2. So we'll just play it by ear. I really don't look for much of a morning until Fed makes its announcement or speech. It usually is a pretty quiet session, especially in treasuries and the indexes. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get stuff up and posted. I'll be back probably on the hour. There's no news on the half hour. And we'll be in a prone position until then. Later.